In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add e-signatures in HoneyBook, Client Signing 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your account credentials and log in. If HoneyBook asks for security verification, complete that prompt so you can proceed. This part is quick. Once your details are confirmed, you'll be taken straight into your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center, where you can see recent activity and jump into projects. On the left side of the screen is the main navigation bar. We'll use that to get to the file we want to sign. Click Files in the left navigation. This opens the Files view, which houses your documents and templates. From here, click Contracts. The Contracts section is where all signing happens, so it's the best place to manage documents that need your approval or your client's signature. At the top, you'll typically see pre-made templates. If you don't have a contract set up yet, go ahead and choose any template to get started. If you already have contracts in progress, look just below that area. In the lower section, you'll find your recent contracts. Click the file you want to sign to open it. Scroll to the bottom of the document until you see the signature area. You'll notice a button that says Click to Sign. Select that, and HoneyBook will present two signing options: Type or Draw. For this walkthrough, choose Draw. Use your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen to write your signature clearly inside the box. If it doesn't look right, clear it and try again until it matches how you usually sign. Just below the signature field, you'll see an agreement statement. Check the box to confirm you consent to sign electronically and that the signature is accurate. This is required before you can proceed. When you're ready, click Sign to continue. HoneyBook will apply your signature to the document and update its status. You can now share or send the contract as needed, and anyone with access will see that the document has been signed. If anything isn't showing up, refresh the page or confirm you're in the correct contract. For the smoothest experience, use an up-to-date browser and make sure your cursor or stylus is calibrated for drawing. And that's the process. Quick, secure, and fully within HoneyBook.